Hi everybody, welcome back to the House of Jane. I have the August 2024 Cat Lady box. I have Levi here on the floor. He might come over, I don't know, but let's go ahead and dive into this box. I actually got it days ago. I was on vacation in Oregon, so I'm a little late to the party. You might have seen some unboxings already, but stay tuned for mine. Here's all the contents in today's box. The artwork is kind of, it looks actually really better on the camera. I can see the picture actually better. It's by Christy Pargetter. She's from Norfolk, England, and she has a passion for graphic design. And this is her design for this month's box, which is Perfectly Wild. Now, if you're interested in getting this month's box, which looks just like this, I'll leave the details down below. I did go on the CatLadyBox site, and if you put in Cat Lady, you're gonna get 20% off this box. So this is the premium box, which comes with the cat toys and everything for us humans. So let's go ahead and rip the package apart, and this is what it looks like. And on top, first thing I'm looking at is the t-shirt. I think we always get a t-shirt. I'm almost positive every single box you're going to get a t-shirt, and this one is too cute. Tiny roar, big heart, and you see the little kitten and the lion. Very nice. We haven't gotten a t-shirt in a long time, as far as I'm aware, in this color. So it's really cute, and Levi just jumped up on my table. I'm gonna bring him here to say hello to you all. Say hello. Say hello, world. Say I'm getting big. Say I'm still biting mama. A little bit. He's a biter. But let's get to your toys, Levi. Never had a cat that loved to greet me with little nips. Trying to break him of that habit. If you have any tips and tricks, I'd love to know. Anyway, let's get to the toys. The first one is a catnip toy called Jungle Boop Catnip toy, and it's a little lion's head. Very cute. Here, you want this, Levi? Give him this toy. Very cute. We're outside in the backyard. Look what I got. Don't ask. And then the second toy, which we've gotten a few of these already. This is a tiger tail teaser wand, which kittens and probably many cats alike love to chase after this. Here, buddy. Look at that. Look at that. Yeah, he's enjoying that. Let's see if you can see. So when I tried to show you Levi with his toy, I stopped the filming, but let me see if I can do it now. He is playing with that toy. What you got? What you got? You want to show the world? You got that tiger toy. Here you go. Here you go. He absolutely loves the toys. And here's the second one I'm about to show you. It's a tiger tail toy where you get the wand, and this one has a little tail. It's tied up right now in a little knot there, but it's a long tiger tail. So that's the second toy for you. Oh, he's digging that. He's digging that real nicely. There you go. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and do the rest of the unboxing. And you can play with this while I'll show everybody. Oh, I gotta show you the prices. I gotta show you how much everything costs, because I like to do that. Plus they put it on the comment card that's in here. Comment card. Found it. So the little tiger mane one is $5.99, and it does have catnip in it. And the tiger tail teaser wand toy is $6.99. And we use those toys daily, especially as having a kitten. He just absolutely loves the toys. So those are the two toys for the month. And then we got some jewelry here. Let's take a look at that. We got a bracelet and it's a Perfect Harmony bracelet valued at $15.99. Treasure your bond with your wild at heart kitty with this tortoise shell bead bracelet. You get it in a little package just like that. And let me take it out. Oh, it's really cute. It's gonna come packaged just like that. On one side is a little tortoise paw, and then we have a little heart. And it's beautiful. Beautiful. Love it. I love getting jewelry in boxes. It's always a fun treat. And then we got a Wildcat pen valued at $3.99. Okay, let me get the cap off. It's actually a very flexible pen up here. You got a little cat paw, and I believe this is black ink. Oh yeah, it writes very nicely. Now this is a little bit shiny, so it is like a very fine point marker. It's more of a marker, but very fine point. So like a micron pen, which is always good. I like to do art. And then the last thing in our box, valued at $21.99. So you're gonna get it just like this. It is a tote bag. You could use a tote bag. I'm always using tote bags, especially grocery shopping. Save the environment from those plastic bags. And it's really nice. It's purple with a like cheetah cat on it. Very nice. And it has two handles. So you're gonna get a nice tote bag. It says hand wash only. You can wash it. It's by CatLadyBox. And actually it says Cat Lady inside the tote bag. And it's very roomy. So that is very cool. So that is August box. We got the tote bag. We got the really cool t-shirt, which I just kind of bundled over there. Let me show you the print again. Very cute. Love them. I love these shirts. I'm wearing one of them right now from a few boxes back. We got the pen, we got the jewelry, and the two cat toys. And I also wanted to mention that CatLadyBox, through the sale of their boxes and their products, they donate to rescue shelters every single month. And last month they were able to donate to the Sunshine Fund Cat Rescue and Community Cat Rescue and Adoption Center and the Humane Society of Valdosta. I'm thinking Valdosta, Georgia. And We Three Beasties Saving the Strays, plus 19 more places, like mostly rescues and shelters. They made donations. So I always love companies that give back, especially to animal rescues, cat rescues. So that does make me happy knowing that, you know, the dollars you spend on this box of small proceeds will go, some of the will go to rescues. So I hope you enjoyed the unboxing, everybody, and seeing Levi, he's on the floor of all the toys. Thanks for supporting the channel. I'd love if you give me a like and a subscribe. It just takes 1 second to hit that subscribe button, and the like would be always nice. And most important of all, if you have a comment, leave me a comment down below. I love just saying hi to you all. All right, I'll see you all in the next unboxing. Bye.